We have a 2015 Nissan Altima. I'm going to show you how to get into where you do your service reset and other maintenance. Now I'll show you, we've got a picture of the car. Here are buttons. There's a menu button, a back button, enter, and a scroll up and down. I'm going to go ahead and hit the menu, and it's going to pull up. We're going to keep hitting that, and it's going to bring us to settings there at the top right, and then we're going to go OK, vehicle settings. We're going to scroll down to maintenance. We're going to go service, enter. Now here's where you go reset. We've already reset it. Now we're going to go back. You're going to go down to other. This is the other one. We're going to go ahead and show you that's how you reset it. Boom, enter. And we'll go back, and that is exactly how you reset your oil maintenance light. Now we'll go back to the menu button and bring us back to the car. Thanks for watching my video.